Hi, this is Ann Sperling, and we're at Southbrook Vineyards, located in the Four Mile Creek Sub-Appellation of Niagara-on-the-Lake. And here in this region, it's the warmest, or one of the warmest, in the Niagara Peninsula. And so we benefit from a long, warm growing season and a diverse range of soils. So the soils here at Southbrook are lacustrine. So that means we had a huge lake covering the region about 10,000 years ago. These are really rich in minerals, these soils, but the particles are very fine. So in order to benefit from all of that wonderful mineral composition, but not worry about the tendency to compaction, we work organically. So these we farm biodynamically, and we have our own animals for producing compost, and that makes the soils much more friable. So we have these wonderful wormholes and organic matter, so the roots can access all of the rich minerals that we have in the soils. These are also cool soils, so even though we're in a warm part of the region, we benefit from the coolness of the soils themselves. They have good water holding capacity. We also work with cover crops to help nourish the soil, bring nitrogen to the vines, but also these plants help to keep the soil a little bit cooler. The environment for the vines is a little bit cooler, so just giving us a little more of a cool edge. So here at Southbrook, we make our Poetica Chardonnay from the estate. It's a biodynamic wine grown with a couple of clones of Chardonnay that we've had growing here for a number of years. We hand harvest and whole cluster press, and do barrel fermentation with wild yeast and wild malolactic. What I find is that in the Four Mile Creek Sub-Appellation, the wines tend to be rich and full-bodied, and so by working with a bit longer time in barrel and with wild yeast, I can bring out the more elegant traits in the wine, so it balances nicely between the tendencies of the Sub-Appellation for richness and a more elegant profile.